Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video, I think it was called Part 3. This will be Part 3B, to make this really cool, make it a 3D engraving. So what we're going to do, this is less than 3 inches. We're going to set our nudge factor on 3. We're going to take our Smart Fill tool, and we're going to fill in these spots, each individual spot, and I'm just nudging it over, so I'm just holding down the arrow key to the right. I'm going to left click no fill and right click a light gray. Now you can barely see that if you can even see it on your screen, because we need to go to light gray to dark black on a effect of contour. And we're going to contour. If you grab just one piece, the contour bucket will come open, or docker. We're going to go to the center 0.001, which is the slowest you can go, and on black, and we're going to contour that. And once you have this set, all you have to do is click, move over, and click, move over, click, move over, click, move over. Pretty easy. Now, I like keeping these as a bitmap when I engrave them, but I'm not going to do them yet. Contouring is going to make it a little bit harder to move it over, because the contour, so I Control G and I Control D, and there we got a node and it works. So grab those two together, put them together with Control G, Control D to make a duplicate. Grab that 4 point, try to go that node. It's working. Now you can go Control D as many times as you want, and then Control G to group that. And if you're going to try this for the first time, I would not do more than one. I would just do one of the blocks. See, contouring at least slows down my laptop. That looks pretty good. That would be incredible 3D engraving. It's called a poor man's engraving. And if you look, this will barely be touched, and this will be touched quite differently. One other thing you can do, and I've got a video on it, is to grab all these and put a border around it. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, so if you're in a hurry to leave, just go ahead and leave. It's no big deal. And I've showed this in another video that I found. When you're doing this, the light gray lines will be rather sharp, and because the laser is just barely touching them. Now I could have done it the same shape, but it might have been a little bit off. This is going to take just a second. I'm just making a boundary. And then when I engrave this 3D part, I'm going to come back and engrave this really light gray over the entire thing. It'll take a little time, but if you're into 3D engraving, it really helps a lot. I didn't realize it was going to take this long. But this is a pretty cool file. I hope everybody would try it. And I can't wait to try this out in the shop as a 3D engraving. But like I said, I will do just one block, because this would take quite a long time on a engraver doing it in 3D mode, going over something really big. Because in 3D mode, I found I go like 25 speed, 100 power, and then I do it again like at 50 speed, 50 or 100 power, and then I'll do it like 70 speed, and the last one kind of cleans up the 3D. But if you haven't played around with 3D, it's pretty cool. So my plan was to show you how to make that shape, but Corel's having trouble, or at least my laptop is having trouble. You're going to get that shape, and then you're going to nudge that shape off the screen, engrave this your 2 or 3 times, however you do it, and then bring that back and engrave just that gray part. I wish I knew how to pause the video. I'm going to try. If I lose you, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.